Everyone, my name is Moali and I'm here today with you to teach you how to use your Oriflame Social in all the social medias platform. Before we start, you need to log into your Oriflame website and log into your account with your username and password, which is your consultant number or your email address and the password that you choose when you join Oriflame. Then you need to click on the tab Cell, go into the Oriflame Social. When you click on the Oriflame Socials tab, you have the link which is going to take you to your Oriflame Socials dashboard. I'm going to give you this small tour one by one from all the tabs here that start from the dashboard. And the dashboard, you can see all the social videos that you're already linked to the Oriflame Social, and the post that you have, the engagement that you receive. And before we go through creating a new post, I want you to click on the My Account, go into the setting to check all your details to be corrected. So the first details is your name and email address, and then is the company name and the job title, which is these two are optional, but the most important one is the personal beauty store, which is we need this link in a few minutes. And then is the password that is optional if you want to choose. And for creating a message is means to creating a new post in the social media's platform. So before you write any message here, you need to make sure that you have all the social medias here by clicking add social media. Then you can click on each of these pictures and then log into your Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Telegram. Also, you can access and post on these social medias through the Telegram. So how it's going to work, Oriflame Social gonna schedule a post, or you can send a post to this social media, Telegram, and then from Telegram you can share on these three social media. So I'm going to start creating a new post to show you how the post is going to work and how we can use a personal beauty store and the hashtags and emoji. Before that, you need to open one picture, or which is you're gonna create your post with. So for that, I'm gonna talk about wellness today, because we have a wellness challenge going on, the 21 days wellness challenge in the UK and Ireland. So for that, I'm gonna create my favorite natural balance shake and work a little bit on top of the picture to show you how it's gonna work. So here I have an option to add more image on that image, and more add stickers, or put some shapes and emojis and the text. So for now, I just want to click on the text, change the color, and write what exactly I want to write. So I'm going to write down here a 21 challenge UK and Ireland. And I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller, and you can adjust it as any size that you like. There we go. I can make it a little bit more small, and there we go. So also you can add any sticker that you want. There is a search engine here that you can search for any sticker that you like. So I'm going to search about wellness to see what stickers I have. And because we are in the first day of the 21-day challenge, is about having 2 liter water for the first day, for the day one. So I can put this here and I can write about it. 2 liter water, and I can write down is for the day one. Day one. There we go. And you can change the color of the text, any color you like. I can make it blue, so it's match your water here. And I can make it a little bit smaller, so here, or I can change any color that I like. I can go more bright, I can go more dark than it is. I'm choosing that, or I can go with the white. There we go. So day 1, 2 liter water. So when I'm done with the picture, I need to save the picture, or I can go straight to the post by use it now. So, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use it and save it for the future, and I can just name it, and name the file in any name that you like. So I'm gonna save it with the wellness, and I'm gonna attach this picture. So for the content is optional. You can write down anything you like. So I can just ask the question, join our challenge. Day 1. And I can write down any hashtags that I want. Here is the hashtags that Oriflame was created for you. Wellness by Oriflame. You can write down sign your style. I can write down here wellness, and as you can see here, nutrition. I can add any hashtags that I want. Health, weight loss, wellness. So after you write down all the hashtags and you write down your content and it's ready to publish, before make sure you direct your audience to your personal beauty store. That's why we doing all of these posts, to make some traffic with our audience. So I can write down here, shop here, or we can write down join us here. I think it's better. So by one click I will have my personal beauty store here. But remember, this personal store is visible for you. For the audience, it will be in a different unique URL, so no one gonna see the actual URL. So then I need to click and tick all the social media that I want these posts be published. And the other things that I want to teach you is to remember this amount of character left. These numbers are the character left on each post that you're going to publish. So if you see, when I'm typing, these numbers going to decrease. So it means I have this amount of character left for my post. Then the other thing that I really like about this program is that I can schedule my post, because some of my team, they keep asking me more. I don't have time every day to sit and creating a post, which is going to take 1 minute obviously. But the cool thing about a program is you can schedule it for next month, even up to next year. So for example, I schedule my post, which is I'm going to show you later on, for next 3 months. So it's really easy, it's really handy to use the schedule one as well. But I'm going to post it right now to see how our post will look like. So we need to wait to the post be published in all the social medias. It's just going to take a few seconds, and our post being published. So it took a few minutes to appear. So as you can see here, our post, it take a few minutes to publish. So but I'm going to check it out. Maybe sometimes it will be go straight away, sometimes it take a few minutes, which is I'm going to show you my other post that I've done if it didn't work out. There we go. So as you can see here, this is my business page for my Oriflame post that I have. So you can see the content, you can see the hashtags that we have, and you can see the link that I was telling you about that is unique, so no one can see your actual personal beauty store for the data protection. And you have the full picture here and day 1. So and you see here it said Oriflame Social. it's only visible to you, not to your audience, because it's going to separate your post from the Oriflame post, and you can see which one being launched by Oriflame Social. So the other thing that I'm going to show you here is this suggested message, which is really handy, and is for who doesn't have time or uh, doesn't have enough knowledge about the uh, social media, which is Oriflame does the job for you. So I'm going to show you how you can have all the social medias posts ready for you by one click. So here I need to show choose my social medias platform. Then I'm going to go through all the categories that I want to receive and suggested the post. So I'm going to tick all of them. Then by clicking, I will see all the posts here. You can see being chosen for my social media on the right time every day. So for example, here I have one post for my tutor on Saturday in August, which is I've been scheduled up to August. So this is for from that date. Automatically, Oriflame Social choose for you a day and the hour that is the busiest time. So this is a smart program. They know exactly when is the best time to launch the post or publish the post for you. So you will get more traffic as you have to. The only thing that you need to do is here by clicking I like this. But before you click I like this, I want to show you something which is going to be really handy. So as you can see here, you have an edit that you have your content. So what I'm suggesting, instead of only one hashtag, create more hashtags. So the reason I'm saying that, because you will get more traffic, and always make sure that you're gonna guide your you're gonna direct your audience to your shop. So it's really simple, just click by this and you confirm. So oh, I think it's something wrong. So, okay, so I cannot add this for some reason, which is fine. So I'm gonna do it in different message. I'm just gonna add my and add in some hashtags to see how it's gonna work. Yes. So after I've done that, I'm just gonna click I like this. I like to use this post, and then you will see the date, the time, and the post with any content that you like. So it's been scheduled, and then you can see it on your social planner. This is another tab that I was going to show you. So you can see from Friday I have all the posts scheduled in different platforms: Twitter, Facebook, Telegram. I will have my LinkedIn. I will have all these posts published and scheduled on the right time that I've been choosing for my Oriflame Social. And you have this page of a statistic overview, which is going to show you how much you've been increasing, how many likes you have, how many people been engaged with your social medias, which is you need to go through with your social media individually. So this was so far the Oriflame Social, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching, and I hope the video is going to help you to increasing your social media's followers and make more engagement and traffic to your audience. Thank you.